Hey everyone, welcome back to Rob's Car World. Today's pick is a 1978 Ford Mustang II COBRA. I found this car just a little while ago on Facebook Marketplace. It's out in Ohio. It needs an engine rebuilt, and for $4,500, I think it's a good deal. Let's check it out. Found this car a little while ago on Facebook Marketplace. It's a 1978. It's the last model year of the Mustang II. It is a COBRA. It looks like it has all the proper graphics. The interior looks really nice. Sounds like the engine was, it's not the original engine, and it's an automatic transmission. But, you know, if you're putting the automatic transmission in, you might as well put a 4-speed in while you're at it. And, these cars are becoming more and more popular, especially in the COBRA trim. So $4,500 might be a great deal. Let's read the ad and see what the seller says. It says 1978 Ford Mustang II, white with green billboard stripes, great interior, automatic transmission. He has a 302 two-barrel engine that needs to be rebuilt, which came from a 1994 model year 5.0 engine. Transmission is original to the car, has lots of extra parts. Some are new original stock. He's looking for $4,500, no trades. Listed this car a few hours ago. Just looking at the photo of this one car he has here in the shop, looks like he's definitely a buff. Has a couple of projects going on. The hood, everything looks nice. I guess the graphics, there were graphics, I believe, on the hood, but they don't look to be there. But it definitely looks like it was repainted, but it looks like it was a nice job. Everything looks to be straight as far as I can tell in these limited photos up against the garage wall. But if the car is as nice as it appears on the interior, yeah, it's a little trashy because he took the engine out and transmission. But getting away from that, I mean, the interior looks to be very original. Dashboard doesn't have any cracks. So it looks like he was enjoying this car until the engine blew, and the engine needs to be rebuilt. I mean, so there's a 302 motor. You can buy these anywhere. I mean, they're pretty, available. The transmission, while you're there, you can put the automatic back in. But if you want to get really creative and go with a 4-speed, by all means. But for $4,500, if he took $4,000, it might be worth it. He shows the manifold, and there's the back of the car that I used in the front photo. Again, it looks like he's had this car for a while with the COBRA literature on the wall. Probably a buff, maybe he got tired of the car and just looking to get out of it. A good winter project. Believe it or not, I know a lot of people will be turned off by this car, but believe it or not, when I post a Mustang II on our Facebook page, and I have over 20,000 people that follow me on Facebook, it's one of the hottest cars people talk about and comment on. So this might be a very, undervalued collector car in the years to come. And the last model year of any collector car is normally the better year as well. So that's it. I just wanted to share this one for you real quick and just let you know it's there. If you're not a subscriber on Rob's Car World, please subscribe. We'd love to see you here. Thank you for the patrons that keep this channel going. We appreciate your support. If you'd like to become a patron, hit the Patreon link in our description. And please always share this channel with friends that love cars, because that's how we grow, and I appreciate that as well. This is Rob. I'll leave this slide up at the end. And if you want to find this car, it's pretty simple. Just go to Facebook Marketplace, Ohio, type in Mustang II COBRA, and this interesting project car that looks very original will come popping at you. We'll see you again real soon. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.